Prawn risotto, probably one of the most easiest things to make, but to make it perfect you need an awesome prawn stock. So Silver Sea Seafoods have made this amazing product a prawn stock so that you can pack your dish with amazing flavour. Get yours today and thank me later. So on that note, let's make prawn risotto. Okay, get yourself a pot and melt the butter. Heat it up and then add in the shallots and the garlic. And then cook for a few minutes before adding in the rice and the white wine. Try and get that wine in the pot, not your mouth. Then after around 5 minutes reducing, add in that sexy prawn stock. Oh yeah. Making sure that we're always stirring, keep moving that rice around so we cook consistently and we stop it from burning. Taste as you go, making sure that it's all seasoned and sexy. Then once you get to this point, you can pretty much add in your prawns and your mascarpone. Give it a really good stir and cook it for around 2.5 minutes until the prawns are all cooked through. Then give it a bit of a taste test, season if needed, add in some fresh basil, and then we get ready to serve. My wife said this was the best risotto that she ever had in her whole life, and it couldn't have been done without the stock from Silver Sea Seafoods. Thanks guys, like, follow and share.